In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot website. First things first, let's get started by ensuring you're logged into your HubSpot account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do that so we can dive into creating your website seamlessly. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen and locate the Content tab. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options, but for today, we'll focus specifically on website pages. Website pages are essentially the building blocks of your site. This feature allows you to create and manage various pages, such as your home page, about page, services page, or contact page. One of the fantastic aspects of using HubSpot is the drag and drop editor. This means you don't need to worry about coding. You can easily design your pages by adding text, images, forms, buttons, and calls to action, making the entire process user-friendly and intuitive. Now, once you've clicked on website pages, you'll be presented with an overview of your existing pages. Here, you can manage and edit them as needed. However, since we're focusing on building something new today, let's shift our focus to that. You'll notice a Create button. Click on it to begin crafting a brand new page. This will bring you to a selection of templates. It's perfectly normal to feel a short pause as the system loads these options for you. HubSpot offers a variety of templates, catering to different styles and functionalities, so you'll surely find something that suits your vision. After selecting a template that you like, the next step is crucial. Click on the Add button, found on the left side of your screen. This will allow you to include different elements on your page. Remember, HubSpot's editor is designed for ease of use, so don't hesitate to experiment. You can add content effortlessly. Try playing around with text blocks, images, or even forms. To ensure your site is as effective as possible, take some time to explore the options for optimizing, conducting tests, and navigating the site. HubSpot provides tools to enhance all these features to ensure you're getting the most out of the platform. There you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a distinctive and functional website using HubSpot. Just remember that building a website is an iterative process. Don't shy away from revisiting and tweaking your pages as you go along. This flexibility allows your site to evolve and better meet your needs over time. Have fun exploring all that HubSpot has to offer and enjoy crafting your new online presence.